Hello, and welcome to Fusion Writing, where building character meets creating structure. We are in the midst of December and Christmas is so close. So we're going to take kind of a relaxed approach this month. And if you've been following over in LiLLiPub, then you know that my character circle is going at 70% intensity this month so that we have lots of space for enjoying our families, which is an interesting coincidence because the character trait is sincerity. So what we're going to do for December is practice sincerity instead of rattling our brains with it. But I'm going to turn it over to Victoria for her compass right away.
Okay, so we've been talking about the concept of the chronotope and using that in order to better define as a writer the space and the time that you're using as you're writing a story. One of the questions that's come up quite often is, okay, so I have all these ideas and I've done all this brainstorming and I have a bunch of note cards, but what do I do with it? How do I process it? That's what we're going to talk about tomorrow when we get to the map. I'm going to walk you through how to process these ideas so that later they become accessible and usable for whatever you're using in your writing. So come back because that's what we'll talk about.
All right. And what we're going to talk about is where to file and how to file all of those ideas that you have been thinking about of all of the character traits that you've been learning. And this is a little bit of a setup for an activity that's going to start in January. Now, I'm not going to spoil that even tomorrow on our map day, but we're going to do some setup for it for our Zettelkasten tomorrow. So come on back and we'll see you then. Bye-bye.